Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jason Hubbard here with eXp Realty. Today I'm out in Santan Heights. We're in a community called Pinnacle at Santan Heights by Mattamy Homes. I'm going to be looking at a few different floor plans in here. The first one we're going to look at is the Ginger floor plan. This property here is 2,000 square feet. It's a single-story home, comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. Let's go ahead, go inside, and check it out. All right, as we finish up our tour here at the Ginger floor plan, remember 2,000 square feet for this property, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. We saw a bonus room there over off on the side of the house. Here, as we're walking through, notice quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, backsplash, gas range. Behind me here, we got the 4-panel sliding glass door. So keep in mind, when you come out to any builder, you always want to come out with your real estate agent on the first trip. That way you can get all registered and have representation while you're out there. The last thing you want to do is buy a new construction home, not be represented. Keep in mind that the salespeople, although they are very nice people, they are not here to represent you. They're here to represent their employer, which is the builder. So keep that in mind. Bring your real estate agent with you. These builders are offering huge incentives right now. They do change every month because the market changes. So as the seasons change, as the market change, the incentives change. And as we head into spring, you will see these incentives start to go down. And then as you head into winter, you'll see them go up. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, comment down below. You can reach out to me at 480-588-2281. But let's finish off this video by going out back and seeing what the lot offers. As you'll see here, it's a pretty big yard.